How to repel birds naturally. Birds are beautiful animals to admire from afar. Some people even welcome them into their backyard through the use of bird feeders, houses and fountains. Although most birds are innocent enough, some may pose problems for yards with valuable plants, produce and furniture. Bird repellent solves this problem by discouraging birds to enter into the yard. There are several natural bird deterrents that will not cause any long-standing physical damage to the animal. Things you'll need. Items with reflective material: scarecrow, chili pepper, water, spray bottle. Collect a material that contain reflective surfaces. Compact discs, aluminum foil, pie tins or anything that is reflective will work. Place these items on the area of the house or yard where the birds will normally gather. The bright light reflected by these materials will frighten the bird and prevent it from landing. Purchase and install a scarecrow figure specifically made for birds. Many lawn and garden stores sell wooden figures or natural bird predators such as cats and owls. Place these figures in an area that is visible in order for the bird to get frightened by it. Create a spray repellent made of crushed chili peppers and water. After creating the mixture, place it in a spray bottle. Spray any trees, plants and other precious items that you don't want birds on. The birds should stay away from the plant life after smelling the chili mixture.